Hi guys, welcome to my first shopping haul video. So these are some of the things that I grabbed yesterday. So yeah, we're going to be using some of these ingredients for making some tasty meals during the week. A couple of things that you see here. Yeah, that's for work lunch. The Alpro there. Yeah, I've just tried the coconut flavoured Alpro and I really liked it. It was creamy and coconutty and went great on the cereal, so I'm thinking that might replace the milk. And from now on, yeah, really enjoying the Alpro, so I thought I'd try the almond one. So yeah, first thing is the cheese. Big fan of cheese, and a lot of my dishes will feature cheddar. I tend to go for the mature, sometimes medium, but mature I think has got the best flavour for some of the dishes I like to cook. It's been a while since I grabbed some prawns, but I do have a couple of meal ideas for those. One of them is coming up in the week. Very simple, quick and easy recipe with a little bit of an Italian / Spanish feel to it, so stay tuned for that one. Another dish I'm going to be using the lemon for is a soup. There's a couple of things I need to get in the week as well. I need to get some cream and some chicken, but there's going to be an interesting soup coming up which I really enjoy. I haven't brought any chives for a while, but I do like them, and I think that'll go into the soup dish as well. Another meal I've got at the back of my mind is a very interesting twist on a pizza, so that's why we have the puree there. That is very tasty pizza coming up. Obviously butter, very low on butter, so that'll feature in a couple of the dishes as well. In terms of the lure pack, I do like the olive oil one, but I thought I'd go for the plain this time. And yeah, some salad. Obviously we've got to keep it a little bit green, and it dresses up any meal. So yeah, that's the mini shopping haul for this week. Just a couple more things to get, and I'm hoping to bring 2 meals next week, maybe 3 at a push. And I'm also looking to give you some cooking tips as well. So I've got some videos in mind that will hopefully help you to prepare certain things. I'm not an expert, but I do like to cook, and yeah, I hope you like the channel, and yeah, the dishes that I'm making. I hope that you're enjoying them, and here's to more. So I'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye for now.